How to disable sound in Candy Crush Saga. Open Candy Crush Saga and tap the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Look for the sound and music icon. You will see two little speaker or music note icon, one for sound effect and one for music. Tap to turn them off. Just tap the speaker icon to mute sound effects and tap the music icon to mute the background music. Both will turn gray or have slash across them when they are off. Also, if you ever miss sweet sounds, just tap the icon again to turn on them back. Easy as candy. And that's it. You just muted Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Got question? Drop them in the comment. Hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick game hacks. See you in the next one.